Hi guys. Alright, it's another video for the Bitcoin price update. Little disclosure before I start, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Anything I say here is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research when investing into anything, whether that be crypto, precious metals, real estate, anything. Just do your own research. Alright, with that said, let's start. I know the whole market is actually down right now, all right, or it's going down today. Okay. The market's been pretty boring, either going down or sideways, however you want to call it. But long term, I'm still bullish. Okay, we are still in the bull market, and I will show you why here in a bit. All right, so just stay level-headed. Don't panic sell yet. Everything's good unless something drastic happened, then I'll update you with another video. But for right now, I remain bullish, and let's look at the Bitcoin chart and I'll show you why. All right, so right, yeah. All right, so what I have here is the 4-hour chart. Okay. As long right now, here we have 16 minutes or 15 minutes left until we close the daily and the weekly candle. Okay, that's huge. 15 minutes left until we close the daily and the weekly candle. All right now we're here, this orange candle right here, the orange line right here. As long as we stay above that on the 4-hour chart, I remain bullish. Same thing goes with the daily chart. I'll show you. As long as we remain above that orange line, I remain bullish. Good news is the Bollinger Band is forming a squeeze right here. That means usually when we form a squeeze on a Bollinger, that means a drastic move is about to happen. Good news is everything is pointing to the upside. That orange MA in the middle is pointing to the upside. And as you can see historically, whenever we form a squeeze, kind of like right here, we make a drastic move up. This is from 28,000 all the way up to 50K. All right, and if you keep going right here, we made a squeeze right here. We went from, that was the top of 63 all the way down to 28K. All right, and then you keep going right here. This is when we were still at 16,000. We broke out of that squeeze. We went all the way up to 41, made a slight correction, and kept going up all the way to our top of $63,000, and then we went down. So again, we're starting to form a squeeze. Good news is everything is pointing to the upside. All right, so we have a high probability of breaking out of that squeeze to the upside. Okay, if we go to the 4-hour chart, as you can see, we actually have formed the squeeze already on the 4-hour chart. We're just consolidating. What good news is we are on the upper side of the Bollinger Band. That's why I say as long as we remain above that orange line, I remain bullish. Now, for another resistant line, you see this blue line that I have drawn right here. That blue line, we're actually throttling on that line right now. We need to close above that blue line. I'm gonna zoom into the 5 minutes so we can clearly see where we're at. Definitely the bulls are fighting at the moment. The bulls and bears trying to close either above or below that blue line. In about less than 15 minutes, we need to close above it. Why? If we close above that blue line, that means that blue line becomes support, which is a good thing. If we close below it, it becomes resistant. All right, so right now we're slightly below it. We need to recover and go above it before our daily candle close. Okay, and we have 13 minutes right as I'm making this video. All right, and when that daily candle closes, guess what? The weekly candle also closes. But check this out. We are way above that orange line on the weekly candle. So that is also a good sign. We're still bullish. All right. Now, with that said, I'll show you another reason why I remain bullish. Let's look at the historic data. Okay. Where is my picture? There you go. So if you look here, 2013, that green circle right there, when they it made that run up, the first run up on that bull market, and then the red circle, July, we bottomed, and then we went back up to the yellow circle, consolidated for a bit before making higher highs, a new all-time high. 2017, same thing. The green, we went up, all the way up, and then we made a correction and then went all the way down. The month of July, we bottomed, then we went straight back up, and then we consolidated, which is the yellow circle, consolidated for a bit before breaking out and making a new all-time high. 2021, we did the same thing. We're in the green circle. All right, we topped at 63k and then went back down, bottomed in July, right? And then we went up, and now we're in the yellow area. Okay, and now we're waiting to break out off of that yellow area so we can start a new all-time high. And if you look at the RSI, it rhymes also. So now, I'm not saying this is a guarantee. History does not repeat itself, but it sure does rhyme, okay? And as you can see, the RSI as well, at the bottom of the chart, it looks very similar. And right now we're on that wedge right there, just waiting to break out of it, okay? And also another picture right here. Check this out. This is a tweet. Just look at this. Most popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea, has only 200,000 users. The most popular NFT game, Axie Infinity, has only 1 million users. DeFi, which is currently much larger than NFT, the whole DeFi market, has only 10 million users. Now check this out. A single game, Minecraft, one game, has 600 million users. That is only one game, folks. That just shows you we are so early in this space. We are early. Whether you're invested in an NFT or in DeFi or just holding Bitcoin, we are early in this game. Okay? That is crazy. So, alright, that's it for today. That's it for my update. I hope that you stay level-headed. I hope this makes sense to you, that we really are early. We're still in the bull market. And I believe in the future, maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we'll go well above 500k, even $1 million per Bitcoin, or even more, because some huge investors out there are actually calling for Bitcoin to be $2 to $3 million. All right, so that's it for now. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. That way you get my latest video updates notified. All right, thank you. Bye for now.